In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how it is possible to copy results from EViews, from the EViews output, and then paste them in an Excel sheet. This is going to be very helpful on many occasions. For example, if I would like to write a project and I would like to present some tables, instead of taking screenshots from EViews output, it is much better to basically pass these results in an Excel sheet, and then I can manipulate them. For example, I can change the number of decimals appearing in the results, or I may want to change the width of a certain column, or maybe I want to take out some of the default output. So I can do all these things much easier in an Excel sheet. That is why it is very useful how to know how to do that. So we go first at the EViews output, we select all contents, and this can be done either with a mouse or simply with Control A, which is going to select everything. Now what we do now, we are gonna use either Control C to copy, or simply right click and then copy, and then we're going to be asked what is about the copy options, and we're gonna leave the default option text for the format. Click OK. Then we need to go to open an Excel sheet, and what we do, we either click on Control V or to paste, or we go here to paste and we click on this button. Now, as I said, we can go here, for example, and we can change the format of the cells. We can go that and say that we want end number, but instead of having many decimals, we may restrict the decimal places to 4. So you can see now that we have only 4 decimals for each case. We can do all sorts of other things. For example, if we don't want these results to appear in the table, we can simply delete them. We can also choose the columns here and change the width of the column. We go to format and then we say auto fit column width, which is going to automatically change the width of a column in order to include in order to make the content of each cell visible. Now, for example, again, we may want to remove the date, delete. There's all sorts of things that we can do. We may want to add to format the table and add certain lines, borders here, put all borders, etc. Now, the reason that I suggest that Excel is very handy, let's say, to manipulate the contents of in the format of a table is because then what I can do, I can open a Word file, and then what I can do is that I can take the contents of this table, go straight here, and then paste it. And as you can see, this is going to look much better after of course I do all the changes I want in the table, rather than a screenshot.